Now let's look into the some more samples for working with the APIs in Node.js. This is the site jasonplaceholder.typicode.com, and here the example given which contains the endpoint for that API. Endpoint is the URL by clicking on which you can receive the response. So if you look at and if you click on that particular URL, you will see that the data appears with some user ID and ID1 title and some completed status as false. You can change ID from 1 to 2 and the response will change. Let's enter and see the response. It should give me the different data for the different ID, that is ID number 2, and some other information is being displayed. But if I want to display the complete to-do list, I can remove this and click on enter. So I'll get the complete to-do list for some sample data that is coming from this website. So if you look at this data, there are around 200 items. So this API endpoint is giving you an array of data which contains 200 items. Within this, there is single JSON object which contains user ID, the ID, title, and completed. So this is a kind of task, and the status of the task is completed true or false. So it is a boolean value. It contains the title for the to-do list. Every to-do list has an ID, and every to-do list is assigned to certain user. Means user ID 1 is responsible for performing this task. Similarly, if you go further below, you can see that some tasks are assigned to user ID 2 and other users as well. So this is completely a sample JSON data on which we can work with and consume this information into our node application. So we can use this particular API endpoint, and we will be using this particular API endpoint for our future applications. So use both the application endpoints and try to test this using Fiddler and Postman. So stay tuned for consuming this application into Node.